are in Orlando, Florida, and we're about to go to Sugar Factory. So I've been trying to go here for a few years and we never actually went. So today we are going and I'm taking you guys with me.
We're gonna get drunk at 1 p.m.
I don't know about all that. He might be doing that. I've never been this close to this. Super huge. Oh, here's the Sugar Factory. So they are closed for renovation. But it's not on the website. Thank you, Sugar Factory. Let's go, y'all. Guys, we're gonna go ahead and eat at Bahama Breeze since Sugar Factory is closed.
You really think I should try this?
Yeah, it's a plantain. It's good. Super good. PJ, what are you doing? Huh?
Breaking the stick.
Why? You see this cloud up here? Somebody got us walking instead of driving to the restaurant. And now it's about to rain.
It was 3 miles. You gonna cut it off?
I didn't
It was literally 3.3 miles.
It was not 3 miles. We're walking
0.3.
We're walking 5 blocks.
Okay, 0.5.
Right.
Half a mile. Y'all can't walk a half a mile.
And it might rain. It's about to rain.
A little water ain't never hurt nobody.
If it rains, I'm gonna be highly upset. Highly upset. If it rains on my rainbow outfit. Did I show y'all my outfit? Here, Dad.
Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah.
Say stuff like that in my video. This is a family channel. So that's my outfit that they don't like. We got 4 more blocks to go before we get back to the car.
A whole 4 blocks. Wow.
And look at DJ over there. He's just back there playing with sticks. All right, so we'll see y'all when we get to the car or to our next destination. I'm not sure where we're going. Y'all tell me who this is. This is supposed to be Madonna.
So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet. Huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. just a better kind of bitter, bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand. Up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I'm at extreme at midnight. So hard to please. Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard.
What you got, DJ? What you got? You see?
Coconut 7 layers bar.
Coconut 7 layers. Daddy.
Chocolate chip cookie, mint chocolate chip, or milkshake.
They went to Ben and Jerry's ice cream. And we're sitting out here in front of the Sea Life Aquarium. Alright, so they just delivered our food and they bring it to you in a white bag. DJ, bring it over here so we can let's see. Alright, so we got barbecue chicken wings. We got an order of fries. This is the same thing. We just got 2 chicken wings because we didn't know how many. DJ, open your chicken wings. Let me see. Oh, those look good.
I agree.
Open the fries too so we can get a better look at them. Fries look regular. Those chicken wings were good. The fries, I don't know. They're battered fries. I don't really like those. They're okay.
I don't like them that much.
Yeah, they're okay. So there was lightning. If you look here, you'll see this cloud. So there was lightning. So they just kicked us out of the hotel area. I mean, not the hotel area, the pool area. They told us that we have to go inside. We're going inside and then we'll probably come back after the storm passes. The kids beside me, they tried to order daiquiris, and the guy was like, "What do you want, virgin daiquiris?" It was so funny. Oh, you hear that thunder?
Yeah.
Oh, where's my hat? Did I leave my hat?
I think you did.
I need that hat. Did you get it?
Oh wait, no, it's in here.
The tan hat?
Yeah.
Oh. We gotta go.
Oh, it's really raining. It's raining. It's raining. It's raining.
But we're still gonna go. I don't know if we can go. We're gonna see if we can go in the main lobby with our pool clothes on. It started raining. They kicked everybody out of the pool because of the lightning.
It's not lightning.
They saw lightning. It's thundering and somebody saw lightning, so they kicked us out. Oh, let me show y'all. That's our room right there.
I decided I didn't want to use that trail again, so I used the taco.
That's our room right there at the top.
Oh, I really.
What'd you say, DJ?
That's what I saw.
Yeah. Whew. But that was fun though. The food was good at Salty's Rim. And hopefully it only rains for like an hour because we're in Florida. And then we'll go back to the pool.
I don't feel any rain anymore.
Me either. Feels like it just stopped raining already. It was literally like 10 seconds. Oh wait, no. I feel it. I think it's because of the building we don't feel the rain. Oh.
Yes, building. You thought I couldn't tap it on one of these.
What'd you say?
You thought I can't tap it on one of those brown things.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's the main lobby here. So I guess we're about to go in here, get some ice cream before we go back to our room.
Raining.
Y'all, we made it to the room before. The wind is blowing, but look. We made it just in time.
Before it started raining.
Before the downpour. Look at that. It's still beautiful though.
Really hard rain.
Oh, and the wind is blowing.
Well, the rain this way, that way,
Yep.
that way.
So we're about to go in now.
Rain kills fire.
DJ staying out here in the rain.
And I have swimming trunks on, so I'm gonna sit here and get wet.